Makisabo Mkhize, who was charged with the murder of Nkosi Mbongeleni Zondi, was killed at his home in Kwamashu outside Durban, police said on Wednesday. Mkhize, 25, and his co-accused, Sifemunla Mhlongo, 35, were due to appear in the Umlazi Magistrates Court on Wednesday. It is alleged that a group of men attacked Mkhize while he was sleeping, said Director Fendo Rabi. Mkhize was out on bail when he was killed on Tuesday. Mhlongo and Mkhize are accused of killing Zondi, a descendant of the famous Nkosi Bambatha Zondi, and a close ally of the African national. Zondi was shot dead in Durban's Umlazi township on January 22 while visiting his fiancée in the area. It was not clear whether court proceedings would continue on Wednesday.